morning children. Today we are going to find out the missing frequencies because we already learned about how to calculate mean, median, mode only. So it's next application level we are going to do. The median of the following data is 50. Find the P and Q if the sum of all the frequencies 90, marks 20, 30, 30, 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and the last one is 80 to 90. Corresponding frequencies are P, 15, 25, 20, Q, 8 and 10. Solution, we should take down the marks, that is our class interval only. Either marks I can write or class interval. 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 90. Next, the frequency is given P, 15, 25, 20, Q, 8, then 10. Sum of the frequencies is given by 90 here. So it is given already in the question only. Next, what is CF we should write? Because it's a median question only, CF is required. P plus 15, P plus 40, P plus 60, P plus Q plus 60, P plus Q plus 68, P plus Q plus 78. So CF addition is P plus Q plus 78. So it is already equal to 90 only. Now what is the one more thing it is given in the question? The median of the following data is 50. So the 50 lies between which class? So the median of the data is 50. 50 is included here only. So our median class is this. So I'll write here median class. See, this 50 is not included, so we are taken this as a median class. Next, this is F and CF. Okay, so we need these many things from the table itself. So we marked according to our formula only. Now, what is already given? Sigma Fi equal to 90. This implies 90 equal to P plus Q plus 78. So what is P plus Q? Equal to 90 minus 78. That means it is equal to 12. This is our first equation. P plus Q equal to 12. So according to that, we can sometimes P substitution will be there. We'll let us see how it happens. So write down the formula. What is median formula? Median equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L we have to take down, that is M is a lower limit of the median class, that is 50. N by 2 is 90 by 2 minus CF is P plus 40 divided by frequency of the median class, that is equal to 20. And what is the H? H means class size, that is 60 minus 50, that is equal to 10 only. Next, median of the data itself is 50 only, right? So that 50 we are bringing to this side. So 50 minus 50, it is equal to 0 only. And here what is remaining? 45 minus. See, here minus is applicable to P plus 40. So 45 minus P minus 40 divided by 2 only. So 0 into 2 equal to 5 minus P. So what is P now? P equal to 5. Missing frequency means not only P, Q also we should find out. But we know that put P equal to 5 in equation 1. Therefore Q equal to 12 minus 5 equal to 7. So what are the values for P and Q? P equal to 5 and Q equal to 7. So the important point here it is that we should identify the median class based on the median value. So median of the data is 50 is given. 50 is lies between 50 to 60. So we identified median class. Then the terms we have already used in the median formula we have to use here F C cumulative frequency up to the median class, and one more information it is given, that is 90. So this 90 equal to CF of the total, that is P plus Q plus 78. From that we have formed the equation P plus Q equal to 12. Next median formula we have applied, substituted and simplified. So first what we will get a P equal to 5, then later we can find out what is Q also. One more question based on median. The median of the distribution given below is 14.4. Find the value of x and y if the total frequency is 20, class interval 0 to 6, 6 to 12, like that. The last one is 24 to 30 and the frequency is 4, x, 5, y and 1. So x and y we have to calculate. So the solution now. First we will write the class interval 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24, then 24 to 30. Okay, corresponding frequency 4, x, 5, y, then 1. See, listen, if you understood the first question, what is given there is sum of the frequency equal to 20. Since it's a median, what is the third column? Cumulative frequency. So 4 plus x, 9 plus x, 9 plus x plus y, then 10 plus x plus y. So what is the first equation we have to write here? 10 plus x plus y equal to 20. 10 plus x plus y equal to 20 implies x plus y equal to 10. Okay, that is given in the question. Now what is the one more point it is given? Median equal to 14.4. So if you want we can write here median equal to 14.4 and sigma fi equal to 20. This is the values are given in the question. Now median formula. Median L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what is the median value is given? 14.4. So 14.4 is lies on which class? 12 to 18. So we will make it as box here also. Okay. So what I should write here? Median class. Corresponding frequency, cumulative frequency up to the median class. So what else we required? L equal to 12, H equal to 6 only. So all the things we have mentioned, then substitute. 14.4 equal to, what is the L? 12, 20 by 2 minus 4 plus x. So I'll make it as a square bracket here, then it will be easy for you. Okay, divided by f means it is 5 and the class width, that is h, equal to 6 only. So 14.4 minus 12 equal to 10 minus 4 minus x divided by 5 into 6. So it is 2.4 into 5 divided by 6 equal to 6 minus x only. Next 6 0.4, that means 2 equal to 6 minus x, x equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Now put x equal to 4 in 1. Therefore y equal to 10 minus 4 equal to 6. So I am not explaining too much because we already showed the step in the first sum. So one more sum for practice. So here we got x and y equal to 6. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 6. Now here just point, first identify the median class, then cumulative frequency table, then write the formula and what is given in the question. According to that, substitute and follow. Find P if the mode is 48. Already class interval it is written in a column form only. Again I am not taking down because the solution I can go for directly. The mode is 48 is given. What are the class intervals? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. 7, 14, 13, 12, P, 18, 15, 18. Don't go for the highest frequency here because mode is given. What is mode? Mode equal to 48. So 48 lies in which class? That is here. That is our model class. So model class equal to 40 to 50. From this L we can write 40, H we can write 10. Now what is F1 here? Frequency or the model class. Then just above F0, just after F1, F2. So I'll take down F0 equal to 12, F1 equal to P, then F2 equal to 18. Now mode formula, L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is mode? Mode equal to 48. What is the lower limit? 40 plus F1, that is P minus 12 divided by 2P minus F0. F0 is which one? 12, then 18 into H. H means 50 minus, this is 10 only. How will get a 50 minus 40 equal to 10? So I'll write here 10. So the first step is that this 40 we are bringing to this side. So 48 minus 40 equal to P minus 12 divided by 2P minus 30 into 10. So what is answer here? 8 equal to P minus 12. If you want to, you can multiply with the 10 and cross multiply 2P minus 30. 8 equal to P minus 12 into 10 divided by 2P minus 30. Cross multiplication, 8 into 2P minus 30 equal to 10P minus 120. So 16P minus 240 equal to 10P minus 120, that is 6P equal to 240 minus 120 equal to 120. So P equal to 120 by 6, which is equal to 20. So what is answer for P? P equal to 20. So if you understood the median formula for finding the missing frequency, same rule on only, but here we have to identify the model class. That is the first step. The remaining everything is formula only. Average of the data is 18. Find out the missing frequencies. Class interval 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, like that. The last one is 23 to 25. Frequencies are 7, 6, 9, 13, x, 5 and 4. So solution, all we have to write in the column method, and always we have done direct method and with unknown frequencies. Now we'll try with assumed mean method or step deviation. I'll go for assumed mean method only. So that method we are using. So average of the data is 18, means x bar is 18 is given already. Okay, so 18 lies on this only, 72, 19 only. Now xi means midpoint value we have to take down. So 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, next 22, then 24. So assumed mean also I am taking as 18 only. So now the next step is di, that is xi minus 18. So minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6. Fi di. Just put the tick mark, so no mistake will be there. So minus 42 minus 24 minus 18 0 2x 20 then 24. So we have to find the sums. What are the negative terms? When we are doing the negative sum here, then we'll get a minus 84, and here plus means here 2x is coming, 2x is different only, so 44 plus 2x. So we got here next sigma Fi di means it is 40 plus 2x, and here also we should add what is sigma Fi. Since assumed mean method is used here, so we'll write here the formula. By assumed mean method, x bar equal to a plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. So we have assumed mean is also 18 and the given mean is also 18 only. So 18 equal to 18 plus 40 with the minus sign. See, minus sign I have to here, minus 40 plus 2x divided by sigma Fi, that is 44 plus x. So 18 minus 18, don't take the LCM, always bring the single term here, that is 18, this side it is equal to 0. So minus 40 plus 2x divided by 44 plus x. So 0 into 44 plus x equal to minus 40 plus 2x. So 0 into 0, 0 only, minus 40 I am bringing to this side, so 40 equal to 2x or x equal to 20. So the missing frequencies we have calculated by using median formula, mode formula, then mean formula also. So this type of the question also asked in the question. So that is the next example. Find the unknown entries. Height in centimeter is given 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, like that. 175 to 180 only. Next F 12, B 10, D E 2, then 50. So CF is given A 25, C 43, 48, F only. So this type of the question it is given, CF is given, it's very clear that it is a median interval only, so it's cumulative frequency only. So we will write our own cumulative frequency, that is 12, right? Next will be 12 plus B, next 22 plus B only. Next here what happens, 22b plus c we will got, okay, c plus d we can write, otherwise 22 plus b plus d, next 22 plus b plus d plus e, next 24 plus b plus d plus e, right? So 24 plus b plus d plus c equal to 50 only. So what is the first unknown we will get from here? By comparing these two tables, a equal to 12. Now what is b? B equal to b plus 12, I'll write a full step, 12 plus b equal to 25. So b equal to 13. So A value we got, B value we got. Now what is the next here? C. C means 22 plus B equal to C. That means 22 plus 13 equal to C. So C equal to, what is the value for C? It is 35. Okay. Next, 22 plus b plus d plus e equal to 48. So b plus d, that is 22 plus b plus d, what is the value? 43. So 43 plus e equal to 48. Right? So what is for E equal to? E equal to 5. Now what is this F? F means all the sum of this one. F equal to 50 only. So or else what we can write, 24 plus B plus D plus E equal to F only. So 24 B plus D, that is 22 plus B plus D. What are the values? We will substitute 24 plus 13 plus, what is D for us? D equal to, D already we are not calculated here, but the C we have calculated. See, C plus D, that is equal to 43, right? So I can write one more step here. C plus D equal to 43. C is 35 plus D equal to 43 implies D equal to 8 only. So I'll substitute here 8, then E we calculated 5, it is equal to F. So if you add, what is the sum? We will get a this step is not required actually. Directly we can write this 50 is the cumulative frequency addition. So this means all the sums. So F equal to 50. So this is only one question is with me, that is I have given here. Practice more with this today's class. I am winding up.